Hello everyone. So we are back with a new topic. Today's topic is stem and leaves. I'm continuing the video parts of the plant. My previous video was on roots of the plant. So I'll mention the link in the description. You can refer that. So today we are going to discuss stems and leaf. So let's first understand what is stem. Stem is a main part of the shoot. So if you remember, I have discussed the shoot. What is shoot? The parts of the plant that is above the ground, and the part of the plant that is below the ground is root. Okay, so all the parts of the plant that are above the ground, that means flower, leaf, buds, stem, okay, all these are parts of shoot. So today we are going to discuss stem. Stem is the main part of the shoot. Okay, why so? Because of the functionality, because of the things that stems do. So I have mentioned the important functions of the stem. You can refer the flowchart. The first one is it helps the plants to stand erect. That means it helps the plant to stand straight. The second functionality is it carries water and minerals from root to other parts of the plant. So like we discussed in our previous video, the root absorbs the minerals and the water from the soil. It only absorbs, but the things needs to go to the rest of the parts of the plant. That is done by stem. So it is a carrier for that. The third point is it carries the food from the leaves to other part of the plant. So as we all know, leaves are what? These are the kitchen of the plant where the food is being prepared. So it carries the food that is prepared in the leaf to the rest of the parts of the plant. So because of these functionalities, stem is the main part of the shoot. I hope till now everything is clear. If any questions you have, you can mention in the comment box. I can answer all those. So there is an important point connected to STEM only, and there are so many questions being asked in the Olympiads, in your competitive exam on this. So that's why I have mentioned it exclusively in this notes. These are the stems that store the food. There are some stems. They are not only the carriers, they also store the extra food with them. Okay, so the name of those stems are sugarcane, onion, that is pyaz, potato, that is aloo, turmeric, haldi, yam, arbi, sugarcane is ganna. Okay, so these are some of the stems that store the food, and these you can say edible. These are edible stems also. Edible means that can be eaten. So question can be asked, name the edible stem, or tick the edible stem, or a stem that can store the food. So these kind of different kind of question can be asked. You just need to remember this point. Okay, except these functionalities of stems, stem stores food also. Okay, I hope stem till now is clear to all of you. These are the short notes for your revision part, and I have tried to cover up the main points on a particular topic. You can take the screenshot, you can take the printouts. It is going to help you in your final revision. So be with me. Okay, let's come to our next topic, that is leaf. So leaf mane patti, the green color thing that is there on the stem of a plant, right? So these are also known as food factory or kitchen of the plant. Why so? Because it prepare this is the place where the food of the plant is being prepared. That is the main point for the leaf. Okay, second thing is leaf can be of any size, it can be of any shape also, right? In my next part of the video, I'll discuss the different shapes of the leaves with their example. Sizes can vary. Okay, it doesn't matter about the name of the plant or something. Sizes can vary. Okay, So let's first discuss the parts of the leaf, the proper structure of the leaf. I have drawn a short diagram with the labeled names so that you can revise quickly. Okay, so how many total parts of the leaves are there? 1 2 3 4 5 5. Total 5 are there. The first one is leaf plate. Let me explain what is leaf plate. It is also named as lamina. Okay, it is the surface of the leaf. Okay, the green part, the flat green part, it is a surface of the leaf. The next thing is margin. Margin means the out boundary of the leaf, the shape. The next part is main vein, the broader stick that is there on the middle side of the leaf. It is a main vein. Why it is named as main vein? Because it is the one that carries the water from the stem to the leaf. There are some side veins also that are connected from main vein. Another important point is stalk. S-T-A-L-K, stalk. This is the part through which a leaf is connected with the stem of the plant. Okay, I hope till now everything is clear. It's a short video, so that's why I am trying to give you everything in a short way. So if any questions you have, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, now we discussed that the leaf prepare the food. Although I didn't mention all those points, just wanted to discuss once. Leaf are what? Leaf prepare the food. So the process of preparing the food is known as photosynthesis. The process is known as photosynthesis, right? And obviously for preparing a food, for cooking a food, we need some ingredients for it, right? In a similar way, plants also need some ingredients. What are those ingredients? These are the carbon dioxide, the sunlight, the water, and all the minerals. So we know how the plant is getting the mineral. The plant is getting the mineral with the help of root and stem. Water also. Now we are left with two. What are? Carbon dioxide and sunlight. So the plant is getting the carbon dioxide with the help of stomata. The word is stomata. And it is getting the sunlight with the help of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. And chlorophyll is the thing because of which the color of the leaf is green. So chlorophyll is doing two things. It is giving the color also to the leaf and it is giving the sunlight also. So let's discuss stomata. Stomata are many small openings present mostly on the lower surface of the leaf. Air is entered, that is there in the environment, it is entered through stomata and stomata absorb the carbon dioxide. Okay, and it gives out the oxygen. When plants prepare the food now, they gives out the oxygen that we inhale, right? The human beings inhale the oxygen. Okay, so that is coming with the help of stomata. So let's discuss shapes of the leaf. Again, I have mentioned a chart, a quick chart, so that you can refer for your revision. These are the five quick shapes of the leaves. The first one is hand shaped, this kind of. Okay, it is the example of maple tree and papaya also, right? The next one is heart shaped leaf. Heart, you know, right? The example is people. Oval shaped. The example is banyan tree. Next is round shape. Gol, banyan. Okay, total round. The next is needle shaped is pine tree, pointed. So let's discuss the functions of the leaf. I already told you in a short way, but I have mentioned also in my notes. It gives out the oxygen, it prepares the food using carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll, sunlight. the process known as photosynthesis. Okay, chlorophyll traps the sunlight, water from soil, carbon dioxide from air through stomata. There is an important point that you need to remember for an Olympiad exam or any competitive exam, that is mushroom and molds are not plants. Please remember, these are not plants, these are fungi. They cannot make their own food, that is why they are not plant. And why so? Because they are not having the chlorophyll with them. Okay, cactus only have stems and spikes. We know that there is no fruit or nothing, it only have stems and spikes. Okay, and in a similar way, like stem do, it store the food, there are some leaves also that store the food. These are cabbage, lettuce, spanish. Okay, and these are edible also, these are edible leaves also, we can eat them. Okay, I hope till now these two topics are clear to you. Any question regarding them, you can post me in the comment box. These are the short notes, you can take the screenshots, you can take the printout of those for the sake of your revision. That's why I have used these flowcharts and mention important points. I hope it is going to help you. Be with me, subscribe to the channel and stay with me. All the best. Bye bye.